Hello everyone, this is Kian from Reaper Rocker. On today's episode, babalikan natin ang mga ganap sa Sonic Frequencies. At ito'y naganap sa Social House Makati at featuring dito ang mga banda mula sa Sikap Music Studio at mga iba pang mga banda. So, alamin natin ang tungkol sa event na to. If you're excited to watch this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow my social media accounts. Let's go! Let's check out the mosh spots that we could visit for the following days. On today's episode, we will do a reaction video on Vomitus Iniquity, and this is a metal band all the way from Portugal, and they had released their
track entitled Nameless Casket. So we will go ahead and check out their music.
Alright, so that was all for the video for today, and let me know in the comment sections anong masasabi nyo sa Sonic Frequencies. Feel free to comment down below, and if you like this video, don't forget to send a thumbs and consider subscribing. Makita-kita tayo sa susunod na episode. This is Kian, signing off. Rock on, Philippines!